Welcome to or back to my channel. Today we're unboxing Converse Valentines collection. And I work in a shoe store, so like in the beginning of February everybody kept calling about these sneakers, so I was like, okay, I have to search them up, like what's the big deal about them, and then I realized what the big deal about them was and I ordered them myself. Now I'm gonna open them. Wait a minute. Could you imagine? No, but like look at the box.
Yeah.
What are you opening the ones inside?
Huh?
What about the box?
It's like not a Converse. I mean, it is a Converse box, but like it's not a Converse box.
Well, I'm excited to see it now.
Huh?
I'm excited to see it.
Are you?
Ooh. That'll match your shirt perfect.
Are they cool? Are they cool? Their reactions off camera is like so.
Those are fire.
Get out my head.
Oh, these are so cool.
That's the right foot?
It's left foot.
Your platform?
Yeah, I'm not a platform person, but they look too cool not to get. Yeah, like they're so like they're dope. Like they're just plain like, you know, my favorite color is red. So.
Damn, nice that shirt. Fire.
Oh yeah, so my Valentine's collection will match this perfectly, like absolutely perfectly. Which, you know, whatever. But this is my Valentine's collection. St. Patrick's collection should be coming soon. So that's that on that. Now let's see how I style these things. Okay, so for today's outfit, I decided to use my design and the shoes. Alright, let me show you how it looks. It would have been kind of the bottom of them were red too, but it's like weird that like, I don't know, the heart is on the inside, so you could barely see it, but like, I guess you get the vibes. Okay, so I realized I didn't talk about the last two outfits that I made with the shoes, but I'll just explain them, right? Okay, so this one, the shirt is from Cotton On, the pants are from Target, and obviously the shoes are the Converses. I really like the shirt. I don't like the pants with the shirt, but it works. And it works with the shoes, you know, a nice little Valentine's type of outfit. And the other outfit is the shirt I got from H&M, the pants I got from H&M, the belt I believe I got from Garage, obviously the shoes are the Converses. And I didn't talk about either of those outfits because I was recording another video with them. So check out my tasting turkey, candy, treats, whatever video, and the whatever next video, the video I'm like painting with Bree and Amaya. That's my next video. That's the other outfit. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Please subscribe. I'm trying to reach 500 subscribers by my birthday, June 6th, and 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. So subscribe, please and thank you. And follow me on Instagram. Help me reach 1,000 followers. And Tiny, hi Tiny. Say hi, Tiny. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. All right. Like and subscribe. Like and subscribe.